Hello everyone, Mr. Stevens here. Today's lesson is going to be looking at substitution and how we can substitute numbers into and then evaluate algebraic expressions. Now, I just have one example for you today. So in this example, we're saying that anywhere there's an x, we're going to put a number 3. And anywhere there's a y, we're going to put a number 6. That's what this means. Okay, so in the first example, we have 5x, which, remember, when there is no symbol, it's just a number then a letter, there's nothing in between them, what we mean is 5 times x. We don't write the times, but it is there. Now, we have an x here, and remember, wherever there's an x, we're going to put a 3. So we're going to turn that x into a 3, and we're going to write 5 times 3. Now, if you can do this in your head, you can write the answer down. If you can't do 5 times 3 in your head, feel free to put it in your calculator. But the answer is 15. Alright, let's look at the second one now. The second one is a little bit more complicated. 5 times x squared plus 2 times y plus x. Okay, now let's go through and replace the y with a 6, and just like in the first one, we're going to replace all the x's with 3's. So we end up with 5 times 3 squared plus 2 times 6 plus 3. Now what we can do here is just put this line straight into our calculator, exactly as we've written it down here. Or, if you want to do them in your head, you can do that as well. Let's break it down to make it a little bit easier. And let's do what's in the brackets here first. 5 times 3 squared is 5 times 9, which is 45. Plus 2 times 6, which is 12, plus 3. And now we put all this together, and we get 60. Now, if this is a bit hard for you to do all of this, then feel free to just put this first line straight into your calculator. I want to really emphasize that. Don't struggle with these steps here. Just put that first line into your calculator if you need to. Alright, you guys are going to look just below this video and find a link to an AP lesson and head there and do that for me. Thanks guys.